Welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of purchasing Ripple XRP on ByBit, whether you are a seasoned trader or new to crypto. This step-by-step guide will make your buying process seamless. So start by logging into your ByBit account. If you don't have one yet, sign up and complete the necessary verification to start trading. Before purchasing XRP, you will need to deposit funds into your ByBit account. Go to the Assets section. Select your preferred currency and choose a deposit method, whether it's via bank transfer or another cryptocurrency. Once your funds are available, go to the spot trading section and search for the XRP trading pair, such as XRP or USDT. Now, place a buy order for XRP. Here you can choose between a market order, which buys immediately at the current market price, or a limit order where you set your desired price. Enter the amount of XRP you wish to purchase and confirm the order. And that is how you purchase Ripple XRP on ByBit. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.